You know, you gave me the dirty end of the deal there. And why'd you make me do it? You think I'm working with you because I want to? No. You can look at me all you want. I'm doing this because you're making me. You think I don't have free will of my own, but I... No, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. You're just gonna stand there and be menacing like you've been all my life. I'll see you later. Just leave me alone.